Hello, my name is Habib, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
This is the approved used Audi Q5 Competition. This model has a 55 TFSI powertrain, S-tronic gearbox, and Quattro 4-wheel drive system, while is finished in the optional metallic Navarra Blue paintwork. Under the bonnet you'll find the petrol plug-in hybrid powertrain, consisting of a 2-litre petrol engine and electric motor, producing 367 PS and delivering 0 to 60 in just 5.3 seconds, as well as an impressive combined 166.2 miles per gallon. Starting at the front of the car, we have the striking matrix LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Around the side we have the 20-inch 5-spoke segment design alloy wheels, while there's body coloured door mirrors, aluminium window trims and roof rails for a sleek yet stylish look, with the rear privacy glass ensuring extra security for your rear seat passengers. Around the back we have LED rear lights with dynamic indicators, as well as a power-up heated tailgate, allowing easy access into the 465-litre boot space, which can be extended by folding the rear seats down to 1,405 litres, so you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. Moving inside, you'll find fine nap leather upholstered rear seats with the integrated ISOFIX child seat mounting points, while there's a fold-down armrest with inbuilt cup holders, as well as climate control and 12-volt power socket. In the front you'll find a flat-bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel and matte brushed aluminium inlays, while there's fine nap leather upholstered front sport seats, which are not only plush but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while they're electrically adjustable and include the 4-way electric lumbar support and massage function. Additionally, we have the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system, providing an immersive sound experience over the standard sound system. Ahead of you you'll find the 12.3-inch virtual cockpit with various display options, including DAB digital radio, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, while if click view you can change the size of those dials. As standard we have the 10.1-inch MMI navigation plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB digital radio, media controls for your connected device, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping. There's Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect your device media via wireless Apple CarPlay. There's Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the predefined modes, with our personal favourite being dynamic as it's most driver focused. You can also adjust the e-tron driving mode, with our personal favourite being auto hybrid as it's most efficient use of the battery charge. There's a massage function for the front seats, which can tailor to your liking. You can adjust the modes such as wave, knead and stretch, as well as the intensity, so you can have the extra comfort and convenience on those longer journeys. There's the optional extended LED interior lighting pack, with predefined colour modes and 30 different colour options, so you can customise the interior to your preference. While additionally, we have the optional 360-degree camera system, with various views of the front, rear and side, including front and rear dynamic guidelines, for reassurance when parking or navigating through tight spaces. Lower down you'll find the display for the 3-zone electronic climate control, with plenty of adjustment to your preference, while there's heated front seats, for the added benefit on those cold winter mornings. Not only that, but we also have the wireless charger, allowing you to easily charge your mobile device while on the go.
This vehicle will come with a minimum 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information, please contact us on 01772 911 331 or inquire online now.